Yeah, g'day team, Scotty Hillier here, Ambassador for AllBrand Caravan Services. I've got the big bloke, we're outdoors. We're outdoors. The concrete, we've got the sunnies on. But mate, it's not all about caravans, motorhomes, any of the RVs. I'm going to put a scenario to you, and a good friend of mine had just happened to. They went into one of the caravan shows.
Yes.
Caravan in Queensland, they bought a lovely van and gave no thought to what they had to tow the vehicle or to tow the van with. So they've got this beautiful van, and all of a sudden they're thinking, oh, have I got the right vehicle? So I want you to just explain.
Common occurrence, and it's not. It's not sometimes. I think we just get excited.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It doesn't matter, caravan, whatever we do, but we get excited. Oh, we're going to go do this.
Well, even a boat, for example.
Same thing.
Anything.
Nothing. Same thing.
Yeah.
We're letting people in our local area go through this and go, hey, I'm going to go to a show.
Yeah.
As like you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm not buying a van. I'm not buying a boat.
I am not. I promise, sweetheart, I'm not. And yet they get one. Yeah.
Next thing you know, walk out and we get the phone call and say, Todd, that caravan that we were towing around at 1,800 kilos, we're now going to be towing a 3,500 kilo ATM. And then they're like, what do I do?
Exactly.
And this
so explain.
So this conversation to us is what we do is we're lucky enough to be fortunate that part of AllBrand Caravan Services. We've got our overlying McArthur Industries Group, which has got our Sandgate auto electrics and mechanical.
So work on vehicles as well.
So vehicles, so we fit them all up, dual suspension, airbags, electric brakes, lithium fit outs, bull bars, everything you need to do to your car to make sure that it's equipped to tow your caravan.
So what are some common little things that you might be able to do to a vehicle that will get it from the 18 or the 1.8 tonne to 2.5 or something?
So let's look at suspension and stuff like that. Also, sometimes we've got the GVM upgrades for people from certain vehicles around the marketplace just to get you up and to get that sort of things. And then think about airbags in the rear, making sure they set up right for what you're about to tow. Some people have the horror stories of those things. We're here to help you with understand that. Help springs, different tyres because of weights and things like that.
All of that.
And then the towing side of things, what do you need your caravan to connect to as tow bar wise, as electrics, all this sort of stuff?
That is so good. You do the whole lot.
So we're here to help people from start to finish of what they need to do. And we'll work with the manufacturer. If they're getting a van manufacturer or anything like that there, we'll work with the manufacturer to take them out of it so we can give them the information that's right.
And the work that you do, it's all, what's the word, registered? It's all
registered, certified.
Certified is the big word for the fishermen, but it's all certified. You do all that work.
Definitely.
And it's, wow.
And we work with other people within the industry to help them with that there, with different manufacturers that can do that and put them in place with the right people at the right time as well.
That is,
so please, guys, this is not a silly thing that I'm sort of doing to say.
It's not a sell either.
No,
We're
it's
here
not.
Genuinely because the RV world is going gangbusters.
It's
There's
huge.
so many more are doing it.
Huge.
You've got to make sure you're safe on the road, and it starts with the vehicle being able to tow what you've got.
Definitely, guys, and let's be able to help you with those sort of things. So please, get onto the team. We've got a team of people to help you out.
How do we get
so allbrandcs.com.au. They can put you to anyone within our McArthur Industries Group, or just give us a call on 073869 2969.
There you go, the big fella. See you next time.
See you guys.
AllBrand Caravans. AllBrand Caravans.